Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to update applications on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! I'm not going to show you how I enter Play Store and how I basically manually check each and every application, because that is just stupid. Instead, let's go to the settings, let's scroll almost all the way down, and let's go to the system. Here, you want to scroll down once again and go to the software updates. Here, we want to go into app updates, and as you can see, this basically sums up every single applications that we have on our phone. And as you can see, if we click this, we can see that 44 of applications actually have updates. For example, contacts, or oh no way, the calculator got an update. I didn't know that they actually updated the math. Wow, amazing. Anyway, we can simply hit update all or update manually every other app if you want to. But yeah, that's how you can easily and quickly update all your application on Google Pixel 9a. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.